Welcome to 1652 East Juanita Avenue in Mesa's Woodbridge Crossing community. A beautifully remodeled single-level home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. Step inside to a bright, open, great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings and skylights, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. The Eaton kitchen features a breakfast bar island, Corian counters, stainless steel appliances, and updated raised panel cabinets. The owner's suite offers vaulted ceilings and a fully updated bath with modern vanity and fixtures. While the secondary bedrooms share an updated guest bath. Throughout the home, you'll find new interior door hardware, fans, and lighting fixtures. Outside, enjoy a covered patio overlooking a grassy yard and fenced PebbleTec play pool, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. With north-south orientation, fresh interior and exterior paint, and thoughtful updates throughout, this move-in ready home combines comfort, style, and functionality in a great Mesa location.